Hello everybody, Half Full Monty here with another exciting video. It's a damp, cool day here in North Texas, and it reminded me of some things I've tried as a kid. I have not used it since, but a way to heat a small area. Let's see here. About 74 in here. Anyway, so I've got it's kind of a bent up candle here. We'll try this. We might have to try another candle. It's kind of melted over. Let it get going a little bit, and then you get a ceramic pot, like so. I believe the bigger the candle, the bigger the pot, the more heat you produce. It'll probably be better. They make pots with holes in them for like growing orchids and what have you. That would probably give you more air circulation. But the theory behind it is the candle heats the ceramic pot, and then some heat comes out of the top here, of course. I can feel that already. There went my candle. Let's see here. Probably need a little air space because it's burning up the oxygen. Yeah, we got a little smoke action going on there. Let's see here if I got something I can. Oh, I bet you I can use a couple too. Okay. There we go. Maybe that'll give enough airflow for it to, oh yeah, it's getting warm now. I did say it was an experiment, right? Okay, so anyway, that's the theory. Candles, ceramic pot. Since I relit it, it hasn't been going very long. Been fooling around with it, maybe 3 minutes. It's relit. Yeah, that's pots about 98 degrees. It's about 135 degrees on the top here. And the way I understand it should work if you had a bigger candle, a bigger ceramic pot, it would heat better. But it'll gradually get hotter and hotter and hotter until the candle burns down. And depending on how many hour candle you have, you know, from these small ones, sometimes I find another one in here. My box of candles. From these little ones like this, they actually work in a lantern like this, to these right here that are refills for this kind of lantern, or you know, you can get, you know, all kinds of candles. Probably not birthday candles, burn too quick. Anyway, let's recheck it. (140 degrees). Yeah, you can't keep your hand on there for very long. But anyway, a little, if you were a van dweller, maybe even though in tents you really don't like open flames, at least I don't, in tents, you could do that. You wouldn't have any light. If you were like camping and you had built you a shelter, and you didn't want anybody to see your flame, your light, that might work. Anyway, not much airflow in here, I guess. But anyway, that's it. A little ceramic heat going on for you for today. Anyway, please give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and oh, please subscribe. Okay, I need those. I got to 100 the other day, and I need a whole lot more. So anyway, that's it for today. Half Full Monty out.